How much of a role does genetics play in this, and race, and also lifestyle
Yeah.
in fibroids? Because I know that there is potentiality for women of certain ethnic minorities to have fibroids in comparison to their white counterparts. Is there research in that? Is there data as to why this is?
It's genetic predisposition, and you're very right. As in, like, fibroids tend to be more prevalent in women of Black and Afro-Caribbean ethnicity and in more Asians, but that doesn't mean that women of Caucasian ethnicity don't have them. It's equally prevalent among them as well. Certain lifestyle factors, for example, the number of children you would have, because obviously when someone is pregnant and they're given a baby, the womb will reshape, and sometimes if they have a small fibroid, it undergoes something called red degeneration in pregnancy, so it changes its shape. If someone has been, for example, on the mini pill for a long time, it might sometimes suppress the growth of a small fibroid. There's quite a few variables that plays into that. Something that is frustrating is that majority of research in this discipline tends to come from like Northern America and Europe. And we see very little research coming from Africa. I think there is need for a bit more infrastructure and a bit more awareness about the need of that. And that is important because, women's health matter everywhere, not just in Europe. So we need more collaboration, and we need more data that comes from different parts of the world. But at least in research, particularly coming from the US, where there is big African American population, there is very strong data to suggest that there is higher prevalence of uterine fibroids among women of this ethnicity.